I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
I can't think about anyone who doesn't love ice cream. I actually have craving for ice cream today.
Is that so? Every day is an ice cream day.
I agree. Is there anything you think will be perfect for us to make today?
That's a good question. You know, the thing I love about ice cream so much is that it's a blank slate. You can literally create any flavor you want if you have a good ice cream base. So, since you love ice cream, and since you love my apple cider donuts so much, how about we create an ice cream based off of the apple cider donuts?
Sounds amazing!
All right.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Jessie here.
Howdy! Thanks for having me again.
Thank you for coming. So, Chef Jessie, I have this humongous jar of white sesame seed in my pantry. I wonder, can you use this to create something amazing?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Can you guide us through the process?
Absolutely. Let's get started. So when we're making an ice cream base, if you're going to incorporate the sesame seeds, first thing we need to do is cook our ice cream base. So the ice cream base consists of heavy cream, milk, milk powder, sugar, and tourmaline.
Tourmaline?
Tourmaline, yes. So tourmaline is an anticrystallant. It helps promote the formation of small ice crystals and helps prevent the formation of large ice crystals. So your ice cream base will stay very smooth and creamy and be a nice texture on your tongue.
If I cannot get tourmaline from supermarket, is there any substitute for that?
Absolutely. If you can't find tourmaline, that's perfectly fine. You can use corn syrup. Perfectly fine to use corn syrup at your grocery store. That'll give you a similar result.
Wow, sounds good.
All right, so let's get started making your ice cream base. First thing you want to do is turn your pan to medium-high heat. Secondly, you're going to add the wet ingredients, the milk, and the heavy cream into your pan. And then you're going to add the dry ingredients, the sugar, milk powder, and tourmaline. You're going to combine them with a whisk. After they're combined, you're going to add the sesame seeds on top and whisk those to combine. Once they're all combined, you're going to bring them to a slow and steady boil for about 2 minutes. Once it reaches 2 minutes, you're going to remove it from the heat and pour it into a separate bowl or container and store in your fridge for at least 2 hours to cool completely before you spin in your machine. Now that the ice cream has cooled and has developed its full-bodied flavor, we are ready for the fun part, the churning. Melissa, would you like to strain the ice cream and get it ready for the machine?
Absolutely. I would like to smell it first.
Sure.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Right?
It kind of, it reminds me of the street food back home in Taiwan.
Is that so? Awesome. I love nostalgic ice cream flavors.
So in our night market, we have a dish. It's like deep fried white sesame pastry.
Okay.
Oh, that thing is delicious.
Awesome.
Now let's turn the machine on. And you might have different ice cream machine you have at home. Just read the instruction, follow the instruction to turn your ice cream. Now the white sesame ice cream is made. I also have some delicious apple cider donut.
To make apple cider donut for the ice cream, please watch our 15th episode, Apple Cider Donut.
I am going to break those donuts into little chunks, add this to my ice cream, and then fold it. Can you imagine? White sesame ice cream with apple cider donut. It's going to be the most amazing ice cream ever. Now I'm just going to fold my ice cream with the donut until, they combine together. Now the ice cream is ready. I'm gonna get Jessie to try it. Jessie! I have a little treat from Taiwan that I want to share with you.
Oh, what's that?
This is apple soda from Taiwan.
Wow,
yes.
From your hometown?
Yes.
Wow, very nice.
Should we try?
Yeah, let's try it. Cheers. Wow. That's very good. It's so fresh. It tastes like eating a fresh apple right off the tree. So refreshing.
I think this will pair really well with our
I think
apple
you're
cider
absolutely
donut
right about that.
ice cream.
Yeah, let's try
Let's
it.
try it.
Cheers.
Oh my god, this is so delicious. The sesame flavor is so intense.
Absolutely.
And it goes really, really well with the donut.
Love the contrasting textures and temperatures. Love that it's so intense but so subtle at the same time too. Love at first bite.
Wow, this is love at first bite, definitely.
Oh yeah.
If you love donut, if you love white sesame, if you love ice cream, try this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.